Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for Friday the 25th of February. So we spoke about the FTSE and we said if we could break above 72.97 to 73.07 then we could see a move towards resistance at 73.56 to 66 and potentially 74.20 to 74.30. So let's go and see what happened on Friday's session. Okay, so as you can see, we initially just consolidated with some very messy and choppy price action here for the first sort of opening couple of hours of the session. Nothing that you would really want to get involved with there. Very, very choppy action, no clear signals, and that's the sort of action that you need to just avoid. But notice once we did gain this acceptance above that 72... 72.97 73.07 zone that we mentioned in the report, we then got that push higher into that resistance, that first resistance at 73.56 to 66, where we again initially paused for a little while, and then once we got that clear acceptance above there, we then pushed up to that 74.20 to 74.30, and actually we even pushed even higher up towards that 74 83 to 93 zone, which was a much higher move than I was expecting on Friday. But we did get the acceptance above those zones. So that using the report, using those zones, and using acceptance of those zones, we did then see the moves to the resistance areas that we spoke about. So the markets have recovered strongly on Friday from the news. And the Russian-Ukraine crisis, so we'll have to see where we are and how we open up tomorrow and assess again how we tackle the markets. So now let's go and have a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said if we could gain acceptance back above 14.340 to 365, then we can potentially see a retracement back towards the 14.585 to 610 area. So let's go and see how the DAX played out on Friday. Okay, so on the DAX, we did initially sort of have we did hold below this sort of 135 to 160 zone early on in the session. However, we then did, a bit like the FTSE, we pushed a little bit higher. So we had some resistance at 14.210 to 235. We got above there, and you can see this really strong impulsive push through that 340 to 365 area that we spoke about. And that actually then created the catalyst, and we did hit that 585 to 600, 610 area just towards the cash close of the market. So that really nice, strong, impulsive push was the catalyst for that push higher. The morning session we did hold some resistance initially, but then we started getting that traction up. So again, the zones worked well. We and we've recovered strongly in the DAX as well. So let's see what happens when we wake up, when we open up in the morning, and we will see where we go from there and see if the recovery can continue. All right, cheers guys. Have a good weekend, and I will speak to you tomorrow.